kind of. Right now I'm filming outside till we get things situated in the little office. I'm back. It's been a rough couple months, but I'm back to stay with my tinies, and I'm relocated in Tennessee, and I have my 12-sided die, unicorn die from EMT Dispatcher on a budget, and I have 21s. I get paid tomorrow, so next week I should have more money to sit with. And I know you can't see them all, but I have 1 through 12 from my Laura's Tinies from Sadie J, Mini Boss in the Making. And I want to do a quick little video. I don't know how long it'll be, but I'm putting $1 on each challenge that gets called. So 2, 9, okay. And I'm filming outside, so you might hear the traffic. 2, and a lot of these are from Valentine's, because that's kind of when I stopped filming for a bit. 8, so 8, actually, I said 6, I think, yeah. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm in a stable environment, so I should be able to film more. And I'm with good people, good friend. Thank God. With God's blessing, I was blessed. 2, let's see, 11. And I'm trying to be quiet because they're laying down. 12, 1, so hopefully you can hear me. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, 12. 12. 10. So 10. 10. 1. And I'm gonna cheat. I'm just gonna put the rest on the other 2. Well, 2 of them. So let me grab these. So that one didn't get any. Oops. So I'll just start with 12. Can't mix money up. And let me find a marker. I have my pink. Wait. Let me do a highlighter. So 12 is from Lil's World, 7 through 3. And it got 3. I only needed 1. So I'll just put the 1. I might put the 2 in the other challenge. So this one's done. And I'm saving up to decorate my bedroom. That's what these will go for. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then, let's see. So next up is Madeline Budgets. Got 1. and 12, 11. Let's see. So 10 is from Indy's Budgeting, and it got 3, so these are done. 1, 2, 3, so $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And oops. $8 is one of mine, and it got $1. It's my Valentine's Day puppy. So I should have 3 in here. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Let's see. And then 7 is Mindy's Budgeting, and it got 1. I'll do this one down here. And it has 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then 6 is from the Secret Budgeter, and it got $1. I'll just put a check mark. And then 5 is from It's Not Too Late, and it got 1 to finish it. And this one has 5, 6, 7, 8. And number 4. So number 4 is another one of my doggies, and it got 1. So 1, 2. And I got really badly sunburnt. It's been a rough couple months. And I got a really bad bruise. I don't know if you can see it. And then, oops. Number 3 is from Sadie J. Money Bus in the Making. And it got $1. And I'll do this one. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then Lil's World 733 is number 2. And it's done. It just needed 1. And this one has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And number 1 is Belle. It's part of her Beauty and the Beast collection, and it's from CBA Moms Saves. And it got 1, 2. So 1, 2. So the leftover money I'm going to put in this challenge, which was number 9 from Oma Crafts and Budgets, and it only needs 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's what I have. So I'm going to call this one done. And so that's a start to start saving to decorate my bedroom. And I'm gonna go ahead and put these back if you want to watch. 8, 9. I don't know, somebody's mowing lawn, so you guys might hear that. And I probably won't be back till next week. Tomorrow's payday, and then I know we're supposed to get my bedroom cleared out so I can be in there. And I'm sharing expenses with my friend and her mate, and so this is my first week here. Well, Saturday will be my first whole week. But I've been relaxing and getting stuff in order, trying to get SNAP and Medicaid, and I need to get a Tennessee ID. And so I haven't even been here a week yet. So I have stuff I have to pay back and get everything, because when I came here I just had a backpack and a couple pairs of outfits, so I need to get a whole bunch of stuff. So let's see how much I have saved. I finished Lil's World 733, Omar Crafts and Budgets, It's Not Too Late, No Man, Mindy's Budgeting, her teddy bear, Love Teddy Bear, Lil's World 733, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll count it out in total before I go. And this was the only binder I didn't empty. The rest I had to empty to live on for like the last 2 months, because I'm no longer in New Mexico, and so I'm pretty much starting over, and I'll have to get new budgeting items and binders, because the only binders I have right now are my Tinies. So today I saved 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And this is a start to get items for my bedroom. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll be back with more. And I'm just getting started again. But I hope you'll support me in my channel. I really need watch hours again because I was gone for 2 months, and so everything's messed up. So if you could run my playlist, that would be great. I'll see you in the next video.